What is up, everyone? So today's Saturday. It's cold, it's rainy, but it's a great day because today we get to paint more pieces of the coupe. Basically, our buddies down at Innovative Restoration, they let me steal one of their techs and let us use their booth on Saturday. I've been paying Brian to kind of do the body work on the side for the coupe when he has time. And when pieces are done and Saturday comes, we paint some of the pieces. So last time we painted the bare shell and it came out amazing. It looks beautiful. Brian's been wet sanding the roof, getting that ready to be buffed. And today we are doing both the doors, spoiler, the rear garnish, and then we're doing the mirrors and they're already over there. So what we gotta do is load all this stuff up, bring it over to Innovative, hang it up, prep it, shoot it, all that good stuff. And on top of that, I get the wheels back for the 33 with the new tires on it, which is super exciting. I just wanna see it on the ground with some 18s on it. And honestly, just seeing it with the new brakes, it just looks so much nicer. Guess what color we're doing today?
I don't know. What? Did you just ask me what color it is?
Yeah, what color are we doing?
I don't know, yellow?
Get out of here.
Now, are you gonna have different colored doors in the whole car? That would be sick.
No.
Race car.
I don't know about that. So happy these things are getting painted today. If the doors are going on, the mirrors are going on. These things have been on a lot of drift cars in its life. Look at, there's blue, orange, gray, red. These things will actually probably be a couple different colors in my lifespan. No doubt. All right, so a couple of the pieces weren't as prepped as we thought, so we've been kind of getting those things ready. Josh told me the tires are all set on the wheels, so we're gonna go pick up the wheels before it gets too bad out, so I have them, and then we'll come back and lay some paint down. So, you're gonna drive?
I guess so.
You got this? Cool.
Is it snow that we have right now?
Yeah, it's snowing. All right, there's a giant puddle on the side of the road, and I'm making Steph drive through it. There you go. Oh, we put in 4x4 first. All right, we're in 4x4. How deep do you think that is?
It looks like a river.
Hold on, go slow just in case. Oh my God. Oh, it's so deep, oh my God. It's like that's a floor.
Are you what? No way, it did not.
Yeah, I swear to God. All right, turn around and bomb through it. Don't get this thing stuck. Oh my gosh, she goes right for the deep end. That was so deep.
I felt myself like slipping and I was like, oh no, this is not.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, you want to try it and
My shoes are soaked now.
oh no.
That was my fault.
Imagine if a train came and saw that.
No cameras? No cameras?
He's got it out, I'm already.
You get my stuff?
Got your stuff, you got receipts.
Would you give me some cheapies?
Yeah, some cheapies, you know, spending some $1,000 or something.
Yeah, right. These are the burners.
Let's go get. Go.
Hey, give him a spit shine for me or what?
No, but one of them was sealed by bead sealing, like around the rim. Like,
Oh, that makes you feel great, yeah.
So I re-bead sealed it for you.
Oh, thank you. All right, cool. One, it has new tires because before they were really chewed up. And two, I went with a slightly bigger stretch just because they do fit aggressively on the car and I don't have to worry about ruining my fenders. So that's always a plus. They're already so dumpster looking. These are just, I got these in a trade, so.
Man, it's a good trade to me, especially how they actually spun them. When I saw them spin, I was just like, wow. These are good old wheels.
So they're straight.
They're straight.
That's a first. Thank you, Joshua.
You got it, buddy. Get out of here.
Josh, thank you for getting these mounted for me, buddy. We got some fresh tires for the daily driver, and we are good to go. Do you like them?
I love them. They look really nice.
Okay, then they're not that bad then.
No, they look like wheels. They're great.
Yeah, they look like wheels.
No, I don't like wheels that are like overly.
Wheelie?
Yeah, I don't know how to word it. I just want a wheel that looks like a wheel.
All right, let's go get these parts painted.
Right.
I'm just happy we got them.
Scary.
crack across the wing, which really sucks. I don't know where that came from. It must have been dropped or something. So we're not painting the wings today. This is what we got. The doors will be good. Get the doors on. Get the glass in the car. We'll kind of start looking like something. So it's pretty exciting. So we're gonna leave Brandon to it. Once he starts laying down the first set of chemicals, it's just game on from there. Do a little bit of sealer, a little bit of base coat, a little bit of clear. It'll come out amazing. So we're gonna run back and get back to work on the Skyline. Buff man Brian.
What's up, buddy?
What's up, man?
I'm buffing.
How's it going over here?
It's going.
I like your, hold on, show me your apron real quick. Look at this fit.
Professional buffing attire.
Do we need the O apron? That'd be pretty cool looking if it was on the apron.
All right, I mean, talk to your boy.
Last time they saw this, you wet sanded this with what? 1500?
1500.
And then you did what ever since then?
Then I did, I hand blocked it with 2000 for a second time. And then I D8'd it with 3000 Trizac. Then from there, I'm going to a wool pad and just regular old rubbing compound. I go with 3M because, you know, I'm an old school body guy and it works.
You could see. Can you see my face?
Extremely clearly. I think I can see your face better in the roof than...
Does my nose look big in the roof? I keep that up because it looks sick, so. Nice work there, buddy.
Thank you. I mean, this is like a 30-year-old roof off another car. Might as well make it way too nice.
Yeah, right. Just no, you're just trying to flex real
I'm
hard.
trying to flex a little bit.
No, you just, dude, fuck, flex. You deserve it. You just kicked. This came out amazing.
It's a drift car. I know it's gonna crash, but hopefully it doesn't roll.
Same here, buddy. Same here. While Brian's been doing that, I've been rolling the fenders. I hate rolling fenders. Brian, you hate rolling fenders.
Step one is dirty.
Dirty.
You gotta clean everything out.
Take the fender liners out.
You know you're dealing with 30-year-old road grime and all this other. And then, you know, the inevitable. You're gonna crack the paint and be upset.
Exactly. So there's a few ways to do it, right? Everyone has a fender roller. This is like the go-to roller way. These things never do me well. Well, I shouldn't say that, but they usually give me some trouble. So if your paint isn't that good and you take your time, honestly, the good old hammer and drag method, can't beat it. Some guys like putting a little mini fender flare on, but I don't like that. I kind of like the OEM body line. So when you hit it with a hammer, like very, you know, gradually, you end up not having to stretch your quarter at all, which I think looks great.
Yeah, you're talking about that little flare out that happens a lot of times.
So.
And I mean, I'm right with you. I prefer the OEM look, so.
Check it out. Here's a little before and after and during, I guess. Go. So let's throw these wheels on.
Dude, you ready? You got tires yet?
Yeah, Josh did them for me.
Already?
Already.
When?
I picked them up.
I've been here all, oh.
All right, we're using YouTube magic. Hold up, hold up. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Okay, not bad, not bad.
Put it on the ground.
It fits a lot better with these smaller tires. So I could take 5 mils off the front, I think, and still clear the caliper. So we might need that. Or it'll kind of camber when I lower it, and it might look nice and aggressive. The rear, surprise, it took it really well. Actually probably fit some spacers on there, but I don't know. I'm more worried about it just like fitting so I could drive the car more than anything right now. Let's get this thing on the ground. And we're on. So they actually fit a lot better than I thought. The front's a little aggressive, but it looks nice. I think I shouldn't have any issues with that. And then the rear is sunk in quite a bit. It's typical Nissan. I could actually probably fit like a 20 mil spacer in the rear if I wanted to make it a little bit more aggressive, but that's pretty cool. And honestly, it looks amazing. It is insane to finally see this thing on some wheels, not just like those balloon tire 17s that doesn't look like a non-turbo RB20E car anymore. Damn, just take it in, take it in. Donald, just in time, come peep this. What you think, what you...
This guy.
Right?
Not bad, not bad.
So the fitment's better on the other side. I gotta adjust this height. Come on this
don't
side.
look at that
yeah,
side.
yeah, this is the better side.
The white? Didn't think it was gonna work.
Not bad.
With the gold?
With the burgundy, it's pretty. The gold, the white, the burgundy.
It goes.
It's a combo, baby. You look at this car and say, this guy doesn't have an RB20E underneath the hood.
Is that what it's called?
I don't know what it's called. You say this man's got an RB25 underneath the hood. A little uneven on this side. It's like lower in the rear, and then the front's a little high. That I could fix that. And probably the spacing will look a little bit nice, but for a random set of wheels laying around, it looks pretty damn good. This is the angle right here. Damn. Dude, brakes and wheels, and it doesn't even look like the same car.
Whole different car.
Whole different
Literally a whole different car. It's crazy.
This dude.
It looks sick though.
Doesn't it?
It does look sick.
Dude, I'm so happy you like it.
It looks sick. I didn't think it was gonna work. Kind of hated on these wheels because when
They're
you
booty
see these
spec.
wheels, they're not. They're built different.
Yeah, they're built different. I know for having like no lips and stuff, it actually looks pretty damn good.
Looks great.
And the paint looks fantastic in here, so this car looks really nice. I wish I did this like the day I got it. Oh, I'm in love with this thing, dude. How's it coming?
Almost done buffing. And we're gonna pile. Hey, that's not my department. I don't care.
What was that, Tyler?
He's making a mess.
Have you seen the car?
Yeah, I did.
The poor car. It's all right. It's all right.
That's the detailer's problem, baby. It's how it works in the real world. Ship it. Not my problem, not my department.
This guy.
Ship it.
So it's been like, I'd say it's been like 2 hours since I left the body shop. So we're gonna see how Brandon's doing and see if they're done yet or close to it. It's good? It looks awesome?
Yeah, it looks really good.
Oh, that's so good to hear. When can we go look at it? Do you just spray it?
I gotta put the last coat of clear on it.
Okay,
So
cool.
I'm gonna give it like probably 20 minutes before.
20 minutes? Okay, fine. How we looking? How we looking? Oh, that's so nice to see. Every time I see a piece I've been staring at in primer finally turn black, it's like this giant weight has just been lifted off my shoulders. Oh, it's so good to see. Get the dust off,
No,
Donnie.
I'm gonna put my arms in here.
Ooh, it's so nice not to see the red or the primer anymore. Damn. Wow, this laid amazing. Looks like you buffed it. Jesus Christ. This came out so good. Look at the mirrors.
Are they dry?
Nice work, dude.
Thank you.
You could paint.
Your coupe is gonna look. It's hard to paint the inside of it.
It's gonna look good. Damn, Brandon, you killed it. Thank you for coming here today. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem,
Get this
man.
done. Well, we got a lot more to do, so.
Yeah, well, we're gonna fix that wing and make it all right. And
I didn't even know you painted. Like when you can't.
Buffman Brian,
Hi.
you finished?
For now, I'm done buffing. So
So what's after buffing? Polishing, right?
polishing, and then we'll see. Maybe 2 steps of polishing. So this is just
Holy.
rubbing compound with a foam pad. How does it look? Look good? Dude, it came out really
Dude,
nice.
it's on. You know what? I took the camera out too late because we all just had a freak out session about how good this came out like 10 minutes ago. But
I'm pretty excited, and I still have to polish it tomorrow, so it's only gonna have increased clarity and depthness and richness to the color. So this came out awesome.
My roof is pretty
Donald, your car's a piece of shit.
all right. Well, today was a long day. I'm happy we got so many things done. The 33 looks sick. I am honestly, the more I look at it, the more I fall in love with it. Just Josh, look at it. Isn't it so good? All right, but we got more pieces painted. Brian got the roof looking like, well, a mirror, and well, I don't know. We'll end it.
Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. Donald's car isn't a piece of shit.
Thank you, Ryan.
And yeah, we'll be back later for more. So I hope you guys are too.
Comment, Donald.
Have a great night.
Bye.